Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Zedge app to set your ringtone. It's quite simple, so you can follow these steps to set ringtone with Zedge. Open the Zedge and then go to ringtones on the drop down corner, which is on the left hand side. Tap on ringtone and then search for the ringtone which you want to set. Go to the search bar which is on the right hand corner, tap on the search bar and then search for the ringtone you want to set. You can scroll down and search for the ringtone and you can play it by just tapping on it. You can see that we can simply play the music by tapping on it, and if you want to set the ringtone, just tap on it. Tap on the download button and now you can save to media folder or just click on set ringtone. After you click on set ringtone, it will take a while and then you will be notified about the standard ringtone being updated. Let's see again how we can change the ringtone. Go to ringtones, search for the ringtone you want or just scroll down and then you can just simply tap on it. Tap on the download button and click on set ringtone. You can also set personal ringtone if you allow your contacts, and if the person you set it will call you, it will ring. So this is how you use Zedge ringtones in your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.